Book app, private day trips. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of Colombia's tropical rainforest as you hike through lush landscapes, spot exotic wildlife, and swim in the refreshing waters of the beach. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to explore, learn, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Led by a knowledgeable, English-speaking local guide, you'll also discover the rich cultural diversity and history of the area. Experience authenticity in a nature sanctuary with diverse flora and fauna. Immerse in lush forest hikes with stunning mountain vistas. Marvel at the tropical coastline, embracing magnificent beach views. Discover the rich cultures and protective tribes shaping the region. Explore pristine, golden sand beaches along your invigorating hike. Explore beyond the guidebook, travel deeper and unlock Santa Marta's magic beauty with our day trips.